All right, so we're back again today with another review. It's going to be with the Hohem iSteadyX, which I actually haven't unboxed until now. So this is going to be my first experience with this product. Let's check it out here. So really cool packaging. I like the way that it looks so far. It looks very modern coming in this box. So it's the Hohem iSteadyX, which is a 3-axis palm gimbal. It's supposed to be very, very small. I'm excited to check this out because I've been needing a gimbal for phones that allows me to have access to the ports on the bottom. So I can have charging as an option and also audio in ports for my USB-C smartphones that don't have a 3.5 millimeter in jack. Cool. So some nice solid packaging off the bat. Let's pull this thing out. It's certainly small, that's for sure. All right, so looks like we have some instructions on here telling us how to extend this thing. Gotcha. Okay, so we're back. This thing's actually really cool once you get it set up. Basically, you have to download the app and then get it installed on your phone, pair it onto the device, and once you do, this should all work together. So we're now in the Hohem Pro app, which if you scan this QR code in your booklet, you'll be able to download the app. So basically, this is set up now so that with one click, I can take a photo. 2 clicks, I can start recording a video. With 1 click on the right button, it'll switch to portrait mode, which I think is really cool. 1 click back, goes back to landscape. And then 2 clicks, that'll set our camera back to center. So if I'm kind of messing with the, the joystick here, and I decide to do some wonky stuff with it, if I hit the 2 here, it'll just pop back to center for me. But what I like about this is that it's in a slightly different operational mode than most other gimbals. This one actually has more of like a follow style mode where it will look up and down with wherever your hand is pointing, as well as side to side, but it maintains the level of the actual camera. So it'll keep it steady no matter what orientation you're in. And that can be really handy for people creating any sort of material by themselves, especially in this cool mode where you do selfie mode. Hey there. So yeah, in this mode, you can actually do facial recognition. So it'll pop on my face and it'll keep my face in the shot, which I think is crazy cool. You can see it kind of hitting that red square. It's actually looking at my face and making sure that I stay in that shot. That can be cool in some certain situations, but there's just some really good features about this in general. The app also lets you use the phone light as an actual light, and it lets you change some settings such as your shooting style, whether you want to go general, sports, or speed, or even softness. Here we go. That restarts the app, and then you can go back into it just like that. Once you're in the app like this, all you have to do is click start recording. Here we go. And it'll bring you back into the app itself. Here we are. So let's go into styles again. You can change your video resolution here. There we go. Video resolution here. And all right, we have it in a working mode. It's a little bit different. Cool. Okay, so now we can have title pan and follow, pan following, all lock, and POV shots. So this is going to give us some different modes depending on our actual working mode and shooting style. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Anyway, that's the Hohem iSteadyX. This is a 3-axis gimbal for your cell phone, and honestly, I think this thing's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our store. The link should be down below or in the description. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you back for more reviews.